Hi everyone, this is Janelle Ocloo of Lojo Immigration, where we provide you with confidence and clarity with your immigration legal matters. Before I go any further, I just want to remind you to please click to subscribe and continue to watch more videos from Lojo Immigration. Today's video is about OPT employment, okay? And specifically volunteer positions when you're on OPT. On June, I believe it was June 15th, 2018, SEVIS sent out a broadcast message to students on OPT, and we've already gotten a lot of questions here at Lojo, and so I decided to make this video so that we can provide you all with some confidence and clarity about this issue, okay? So if you are a student in your OPT period, you can have maximum 90 days of unemployment, okay? So, you've graduated, you've gotten your OPT, the purpose of your optional practical training is to get practical training, practical work experience in your area of study. So if you have not been able to find a job in 90 days, even though you may have your approved OPT work permit, that's the end of your OPT period, because SEVIS is not going to allow you to just kind of hang out in the United States if you don't have work to do. Now, it is possible that that work that you're doing doesn't necessarily have to be paid employment. For some people, the meaningful work that they find is an unpaid internship, where they're still getting practical training, but it's in an unpaid position. Okay, so that's what they mean by the volunteer employment, is that you're not getting paid. But nevertheless, in order for even a volunteer position to be able to count for OPT, the work that you're doing has to be related to your field of study. Okay, so yes, if you're not able to get a paid position, yes, you can certainly get an unpaid position, but even the unpaid position needs to be related to your field of study. And it's also important, folks, that you need to report your employment to your school's designated school official. It's called a DSO. That's basically the International Student Advisor at your college or university, okay? Because they need to know, because they update the SEVIS system to let Homeland Security know that, in fact, okay, yes, you are approved for OPT and you are actually working. Okay, so you need to let them know when you find employment and that you're actually working. Okay, so folks, that is what the broadcast message that SEVIS sent out was all about. So if you have questions, if there's anything you still don't understand, or you're not sure if something is qualifying employment or it's related to your major, or if you just have general questions about OPT or your immigration status here in the United States, then by all means do contact a qualified immigration lawyer, ask questions. We have qualified immigration lawyers here at Lojo Immigration, so you can find us on the web, www.lojolaw.com. Thanks so much for watching this video. All the best. Bye.